face reality. Back to school is honestly around the corner and it sucks. But today I'm showing you 10 life hacks that I came up with. I'm totally kidding, I did not come up with them. I totally found them on Pinterest. And that's the tea for today, but whatever. These life hacks will definitely make our school year a little less hard. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, then you should totally subscribe because I make videos here every week. I can also be annoying and I hope you don't mind. If you do mind, then I don't know, still subscribe, I don't care. And without further ado, let's just get started. Literally all my papers end up looking like this every time I get them out of my bag. So a really easy way to kind of avoid it is get a paper roll, cut it open, and then wrap your paper and make it look like a burrito. And then you can store it in your bag and it probably won't get as destroyed as it would if it wasn't wrapped. You better turn up. You better be there. So I got like 1,000 highlighters, but they're all pretty much the same. So a really easy and fun thing you can do is like kind of like cut the middle part open, take it out, and then you have like a 2-striped highlighter. It's really cool because you can like put it like on titles and stuff. I think it's so cool. I was worried you blow my reputation. Not gonna lie, this is what my hair looks like when I wake up, and like sometimes even worse. And since I wake up 10 minutes before I have to leave to school, I don't have time to do anything basically. So something that is pretty easy and really fast, twist your hair. I have a lot of hair, so I have to do it in like 4 parts, but if you don't have like a lot of hair, you can just twist both parts of your hair and then go over it with a straightener, and you'll have like these kind of like cool waves. I don't know, I really like it and it's super easy. Feel so good. Oh. Tonight we're running on the right track. Every time in school I did something I wasn't supposed to do, which was pretty often. I'd get copies and I had to write down like 100 times what I did wrong. I wish I knew this. Just like wrap like 4 or 5 pens together with elastic bands and you write it 1 time and it will come on your paper 4 times. So you have to write it like, I don't know, 10 times and then you're done instead of 100. About to leave, already packing. Here you can see me pretending to read a book that I'm not actually reading. Yeah. Anyways, it's really easy to use a paperclip as a bookmark because you can put the paperclip exactly on the word you ended, because sometimes you have to end literally in the middle of your page and it sucks. Let me just tell you, there's nothing more annoying than looking for the end of your tape for like 30 minutes. So putting a paperclip on the end of your tape, it just makes your life so much easier. Big egos living this. Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. I hate when I have like PE and I take my gym clothes and then they like get all wrinkly and they take up so much space in my bag. So something you can do is like wrap them up and put one of your socks over them, like a burrito. Again, I love burritos. And then it fits in your bag perfectly. Something that will make your life a lot easier as well is color coding your notebooks on the top so that when you open your backpack, you know exactly which notebook is which and you don't have to like look at the covers and stuff, because that like, it's just annoying, you know, it's just annoying. We fight and make. Most of the times in class I don't have a stapler and I do have like 1,000 papers that I kind of like need to put together. So you can like cut a hole, like a line in the top of the paper and then wrap the corner in it and it will stay together. You guys, there's this website and it's called Symbolab, and honestly I freaking wish I knew this existed when I had math. You just put like whatever you need to solve in there and then it tells you the steps, it tells you exactly how it needs to be done and the answers, like it's the shit, like I'm telling you. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those were the 10 life hacks that I wanted to show you guys. I think they're totally cool and awesome and you should try them out. Like I said before, totally make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and click the notification bell, because that way you'll be notified when I upload, which is not like every day, so it won't get annoying, I promise. Also, like this video, not just emotionally. And yeah, I guess I've been annoying enough for this week. So I'll just see you guys next week. I love you, bye!